appraised. Okay, an appraiser will take the statistical value that we create as realtors, for example, how much we sold your home for. And they'll say, okay, well, the homes in this neighborhood are selling for this, but your home has these extra things. So your home's worth just a little bit more. This is what your home is worth, right? So let's just say their home was worth, let's just keep it easy. Let's just say 250,000, but they bought it for 100,000. So how much equity would they have?
150,000.
Right. So what people were doing was they were using their home like a piggy bank, pulling that equity out, paying for college, nice things, vacations, boats, whatever, but they were using that equity. And how much equity did they use again? What was the number?
$824 billion.
Yeah. So that was a lot of home equity being used. The value was not in the homes.
Mm-hmm.
So today, what are we looking like today?
So if we look from 2017 to 2019, only $232 billion of home equity has been used. So that's almost a quarter of what happened before the last housing crisis. So looking at that data, it doesn't seem like people are over leveraging their homes like they were back then.
Right. And that is good news for you if you're in the housing market. Why? Because we know that that's one of the things that led to all the foreclosures. People were pulling their money out and walking away from their homes. So the banks kind of got smart. As a matter of fact, most lenders are not even allowing equity loans of credit right now. And if you had an equity loan, they're converting those to unsecured loans, not even attaching them to the property, or they're doing a second mortgage on the property. So they've gotten a little bit smarter, actually a lot smarter, to try to avoid making the same mistakes to lead us into a housing crisis. Now, there is another reason why we believe that we're not in a housing crisis. But you got to stay tuned for that tomorrow. All right. So that's going to be it for today. Again, I'm Sean Calhoun, and this is Christina. We're with Pretty Home Realty. If you need help, if you have questions regarding your real estate, we're professionals. I've been licensed for 20 years. My wife and broker partner has been licensed for 6+ years. And not only do we have experience, we just love people, love working with different people. So give us a call or send us an instant message. You can go to our website. If you're on Facebook, you can link right to it, Pretty Home Realty. It's prettyhm.com, or very simply, just send us a direct message. We answer.
We'll see you guys tomorrow at 1 o'clock.
Eastern Standard.
Thanks for tuning in, Matthew and AJ. We appreciate that.
All right. Talk to you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye.